In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install NordVPN on macOS. We'll go from visiting the official site to downloading the installer, completing the setup, and finishing with a quick refresh so the latest version is ready to go. I'll keep it simple and clear, and I'll add helpful context along the way so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your preferred browser and heading to NordVPN's official macOS download page. It's important to use the official site to ensure you get the most up-to-date and secure version. If you searched for it, double-check that the page clearly shows it's the macOS download section and that you're on NordVPN's domain. On that page, click the Download App button. Your Mac will begin downloading a .pkg file, which is the standard macOS installer package. If your browser asks where to save it, choose your Downloads folder so it's easy to find. If the download doesn't start immediately, give it a moment or click the prompt to retry the download. Once the file finishes downloading, open your Downloads folder in Finder and locate the .pkg file you just saved. Double-click to launch the installer. If macOS shows a message saying this file was downloaded from the internet, that's normal for apps you get from the web, go ahead and confirm that you want to open it. The installer will guide you through a few screens. Click Continue to review the information, then click Install when prompted. You may be asked to enter your Mac's administrator password. This is the same password you use to log into your Mac. Enter it to authorize the installation. The process usually takes a minute or two. Keep the installer window in view and let it finish. Closing it early can interrupt the setup. When it's done, you'll see a confirmation that the installation was successful and you can close the installer. At this point, NordVPN is installed. If you are updating an existing installation, it's a good idea to give the app a quick refresh so the update fully takes effect. Simply close the app if it's open, then reopen it from your Applications folder or by using Spotlight. This ensures the latest components are loaded and ready. That's all there is to it. You've downloaded the installer from the official site, run the .pkg file, followed the on-screen prompts, and optionally restarted the app to confirm the update. You're now set up on macOS and ready to move on with your next steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process quick and stress-free.